Hi guys, it's Rebecca, and today I wanted to stop squeaking. Okay, I wanted to do a video kind of Coachella themed because I'm not going to Coachella, but I wish I was, and I will explain why there's one pine cone on my head and not on the other side. But I wanted to move away from kind of the tutorial type videos. I'm shifting a bit, which I will talk about a bit, but first let's fix this hair, okay? So what I got going on here is I did 2 sections on each side, and then I did a fishtail braid, and then I did a regular braid in the front that's a lot smaller. And what I'm going to do, which this takes forever by the way, the braiding part, so I'm so glad I did this off camera, which the reason why I did this off camera is because my lovely camera was about to die. Because my lovely, 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 how many times can I say lovely? I know. My lovely brother, who I share this camera with, did not charge it. So, yeah. And then now I'm going to take this piece, I'm going to take it and I'm going to wrap it around. You guys see? I'm just going to wrap it around, and I'm going to take some bobby pins like I just did to the other piece. I don't know, I want to move away from the tutorial type stuff, but I'm also doing a tutorial at the same time. I know, I'm weird. Anyways, so how many people are at Coachella right now as I'm speaking? You're probably not watching this video. Why did I ask that question? Sometimes I have to question myself. Looks cute. Looks like I have 2 pine cones on my head. I'm going to start on my eye makeup. I already did my face makeup, so we're just going to get right into the eye makeup, which I think is the most fun, if I'm being honest. How many times can I say Coachella in this video? Ooh, someone start counting. I want to know. Comment down below. I wish I was at Coachella, but you know what? It's not going to happen. Ever. Honestly though, I was like, dude, I should go to Coachella next year. Duh. And then I realized I'll be at school. So I'm going to be taking this shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette because I love it so much. And I was thinking about taking the shimmery shade, but I think I'll go on top with the shimmery shade. And we're just gonna add this on the lid. And this is not the right type of brush for this, but oh well. That's what I forgot. Tape. I think that's good enough, you know. My coffee's starting to wear off. I had this giant cup of coffee and yeah. Oh! Ow! Ah, okay. That was my contact sliding into my brain. Fun times. See how messy that looks? We'll fix it, I hope. Oh, this brush has a lot of purple still on it. I don't know. I don't feel like cleaning it, but we're gonna go in to this NYX palette with this pink shade, and we're gonna keep stabbing it until we have so much pink we don't know what to do. Well, we do. We put it on our eye. Mermaid. We're a mermaid. See how freaking bright that is? I love it. I'm more than obsessed, okay? Oh, fun fact, I had an allergic reaction last night. Yay. The NYX glitter liners I'm apparently allergic to. Big time. Which I know I've used them before and I had an allergic reaction. But I decided it's okay. I can handle it. And I tried it last night and my eyes were burning so much. Whew. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in to the Jaclyn Hill palette with this little brush right here. And I'm not sure how this is gonna work out, but okay. Okay, I'm going with that shimmery shade that was right next to that other shade, and ow, 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 I poked my eye too hard. I swear, packing shadows is the most painful thing in the world. My eyes just might be really sensitive. So now, when I turn the light on in this, oh, it's not actually that much different. Okay. Whoa! Okay, don't roll, please. Please, no! No! You guys can't tell, it's been a long day. Okay. Wait, no, don't do it! Eyeliner. We need eyeliner, and not glitter liner. No, not again. Never again. Very bad idea. Look what fell on the floor. I'm gonna do this off camera. Whoa, those are uneven. Okay, I'm back, you guys. I went ahead, I did eyeliner, and then I added some in the waterline, which is already kind of like wiped away, which is a little sad. The liner I used, I didn't mention it, but it's my favorite. It's the NYX matte liner, liquid. Yes. And then I also went in the waterline with my Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner pens. Yes. And now we are going to be adding bronzer, which I didn't pick up apparently when I walked back over here like a genius. Okay, I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer because I love it and it smells super good. And I'm using this random Too Faced Love Hangover Love Flush Blush. Oh my gosh, yesterday was so bad for makeup. I added way too much blush and I went to school and it was sad. It was a sad day. And now we're gonna do what I'm really excited for. Oh my gosh. Why am I 5? I'm going to be using my Anastasia Moonchild palette. I'm going to be using this brush. Why? Why? I don't understand. It just makes me really happy because this brush will pack a punch. So I'm going to start with Pink Heart, which is this like pink shade. You couldn't figure that out. And I'm going to pound it on my face. Man, this is going to be a process because I have to pick up my mirror, put down the palette. That's something I really hate about the Anastasia glow kits is they do not have mirrors. There's all this space. Look. No, instead you have to remind me what the name of the palette is. Thank you very much. And they're over here like, oh, but then it's cheaper. I'm like, I know you're scamming. You're just skipping out on our mirror, and I'm not even using the mirror right now. What the heck? I'm just staring in the viewfinder. Stop calling me! No! Go away. If you don't want to tell me what your number is, get out of here. We're going to use Blue Ice because why not? I'm going to probably use almost every color except for Star and Lucky Clover. This isn't glowy enough. I'm gonna fix this. Okay. I'm gonna use this Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. I love this stuff. Use it way too much. Literally bought this like a couple months ago. It's like half gone. Yeah, I use it twice a day. Every day. If not 3 times. I'd have a problem. Yes. Do this. I'm gonna use Purple Horseshoe now. Ooh. 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 Oh my gosh. I love it. I look crazy and I love it. Oh my gosh. I love. Now we're going to use Blue Moon. We'll probably go back to Purple Horseshoe though. I love Purple Horseshoe. I'm shook. I'm so shook. Okay? Shook. Oh, I'm so happy. I should have put a thicker base on because I am breaking out like crazy, but I didn't really think I'd get this far. Now for lips. I don't know what I'm gonna do because like I said, I didn't think I'd get this far. Okay. Okay. It's okay though. We're gonna start with Stripped from Anastasia. We're gonna see how this goes. Okay. I'm gonna put that in the center of my lips and then I'm gonna add a darker color. Now I'm gonna try to use this color. I don't know what it is. It's Toast. Oh, it might be too toasty. Yeah, no, we're not gonna do that. So instead, we're gonna try to use, I don't know actually, wait, what shade is this? Dazed. Dazed, yes, Dazed. Oh, that's dark. That's really dark. I don't, we're gonna try Current. Oh, that's really red. Okay, this isn't crazy enough for me. Why did I suck at putting lipstick on? I don't understand. We're gonna add Strip to like the middle of the lips. I love how I said I'm gonna add this in the middle of the lips. You know what? I'll be right back. This is literally way better. This is Requiem from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh. Wow, I'm having way too much fun with that. I need to stop. Anyways, you guys, I think that's gonna be pretty much it. Who is she? A model? No, she's not. I'm just staring in the viewfinder like, wow, my hair has gotten long. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like. It would really make my day. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Speaking of that, why are you still here? Bye.